Beneath the world's driest landscapes, under the sands of the Sahara, the plains of Africa, even the fields of Nebraska, lies a hidden ocean. But this isn't rainwater from last year or even last decade. This is fossil water. Ancient rainfall that fell 10, 20, 30, even 40,000 years ago. A literal liquid time capsule. Back then, the climate was rather different. The Sahara was green and monsoons drenched the deserts. Glaciers carved valleys and fed rivers. And as the planet shifted from an ice age to a dry age, the water seeped deep into the earth, where it stayed unseen, untouched, forgotten. That is, until now. Trapped under layers of rock and clay, these deep aquifers are like geological vaults. And some of these are colossal. The Nubian sandstone aquifer in North Africa covers 4 countries. Others are hidden under vast agricultural plains like the ones in the American highlands. But the story isn't just about where the water is, it's also how old it is. See, to date the fossilized water, scientists use radiometric dating, usually carbon-14. This is the same method we use to date bones and artifacts. It helps us gauge when the water last touched air. The less C14 in the sample, well, the more time it's been underground, away from it. But carbon-14 isn't the only thing we can use. We can use tritium, a form of hydrogen which became prevalent in the atmosphere after nuclear bomb testing. So if none of these waters have been contaminated by tritium, we know that they're rather old and that they're sealed. It means that there's no recharging happening in the aquifers, and therefore when you combine that with carbon-14, it makes a really old aquifer. But age is only part of the story. There's also a chemical trail. Spending millennia underground transforms the water. It dissolves minerals, accumulates salts. It takes on its own unique fingerprint. Ones that tell the scientist how far the water's traveled, where it came from, and more importantly, even temperatures of the air when the rain first fell. It's not just water, it's a record of Earth's ancient climate, stored in liquid form. If you enjoyed this video on Earth Explained, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow. I'm Mr. Earth Guy, and I'll see you in the next one.